Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to start with the topic that is state and prove sum of degree. First, we will get to know about what is statement. The statement of sum of degree is the number of degree of vertices is equal to twice the number of edges. Vertices means, guys, the dot we represent here as vertex 1. Edge means the line where two vertices connect with each other. It is called edge. This is edge 1. So this is vertex, this is edge. Now it is written as sigma I is equal to 1, degree vi is equal to 2e. So 2e. Now we have to prove this. So this was the statement. Now prove the graph G contains vertices and edges where vertices are represented as V1, V2, V3 and so on, where edges as E1, E2, E3, and edge is denoted as edge. The main edge is denoted as capital E. So now we consider here the two cases. One is 1 degree of vertex. It joins to the edge, like E1, this is V1. So loop of 1 degree of vertex, 1 degree is contributed to edge. This is first one. The second one is edge of, there are two vertices, vertex 1 and vertex 2. This is edge 1. So edges of 2 degree of vertices are contributed to one edge. Now guys, after this, the degree of vertices in a graph G is taken as degree V1 plus degree V2 plus degree V3 and guys so on. This is first equation. Single edge is denoted by one edge is equal to 2 degrees and E number of edges is equal to 2 degrees into E. So these both are taken as equation number 2. From equation 1 and 2, we get sigma I is equal to 1, degree Vi is equal to 2E. The vertex is the number of vertex is equal to twice the number of edges, so 2E. This is the state and prove the sum of degrees. So we have completed. If you guys like the video, like, share and subscribe.